Petronet LNG is a stock which is on our radar. The company reported their Q2 numbers. They've also announced a pretty large capex plan of 20,000 crore rupees plus. The stock is nosedived, is down close to about 9%. Sonal joins in with the details. Sonal.
Well, thank you for that. It's not the numbers, but the capex plans that the company has announced, which has disappointed the street this time around. It's a big amount, 20,685 crore rupees, which has been approved by the board, and it will be invested into projects which will be Petchem in nature, including propane and ethane, which will be a handling facility at Dahej itself. Now, remember, company has been known to make capex mistakes in the past as well, be it the Tellurian deal or the other capex plans that they've done earlier. And again, such a big amount which has been decided to invest in a plant for Petchem segment, which is volatile and where not a lot of players have been very successful, barring something like Reliance Industries or IOC, is something which is worrying the street. Now, for instance, GAIL also reported a loss in Q1 in the Petchem segment. So it is not a segment where a lot of players are successful, and it continues to be very volatile and driven by macro factors. So that is a cause of worry, because of which the stock is down around 9%. Now, remember, the company has declared a dividend as well of 7 rupees per share. It is known to have been declaring dividends at higher rates, around 70% of cash in the past. Bank and cash balances as in the first half of FY24 have been to the tune of around 7,000 to 8,000 crore rupees. So a large part of cash will be used in funding this capex, and that is something which is worrying the street, and that's why that big fall that we are seeing in the stock price as well. We are awaiting volume details, but it has been a sequential recovery for the company in Q2. Revenues up 7.5%, EBITDA up 2.8%, profits up 4.5%. So no problem with the numbers. The real problem lies in the capex, where the street is concerned about this particular segment that they've chosen, and such a big investment there, where they do have other avenues. They've spoken about LNG earlier. They've also spoken about compressed biogas. So why is this capex going into a segment which continues to be very volatile and where we have not seen a lot of success otherwise as well?
Okay, Sonal got that. Thank you. Yeah, that puts it in context, that fall, massive fall on Petronet LNG, 9% down and counting. Gurmeet, what do you think? You think this